All of us here at Forest to Home are proud to be a division of Gutches Lumber. The Gutches name is known worldwide as a leading provider of quality hardwood lumber. Forest to Home opened our Latrobe storefront in 2021 and has since then gained esteem with the local woodworkers, contracting, crafting, and DIY communities. Our customers appreciate the wide range of quality hardwood products that include beautiful hardwood bowls and cut-off bins. From harvesting to kiln drying, we control the process to ensure that with Forest to Home, you get quality kiln-dried boards every time. We offer 11 varieties of Northern American hardwoods in thicknesses from 4/4 to 10/4 with lengths up to 12 feet long and in several grades, including premium, rustic, wormy, figure, and more.
Forest to Home is rooted in responsible forest stewardship and actively works to create climate change resilient forests through responsible forestry management programs. Forest to Home's goal is to create a greener future by practicing responsible forestry management programs on their company land, as well as for individual forest landowners across New York and Pennsylvania. Forest to Home proves that hardwood can be produced without destroying forests by keeping each step of the manufacturing process from tree to their customers while maintaining strict quality standards, all under their roof.
To learn more about Forest to Home and our processes, please visit our website at foresttohome.com or stop by our Latrobe store to see the Forest to Home difference for yourself.